Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide app icon badge numbers. So if your apps keep showing the number of notifications you have on each application, then this video is going to show you how to turn off or disable the app icon badge number on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn off or disable app icon badge numbers is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. Now once you've selected notifications, scroll down, locate and click on advanced settings. Under advanced settings, scroll down the page, then locate app icon badges and then toggle this off. Once you disable that, hit the back button. Now if you go back to your Samsung phone home screen, then you discover that the app icon badges is no longer available. You see that? So that is basically how to turn off or disable app icon badges on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.